Can't get rid of keep/discard notification while downloading ML files. How can I get rid of this keep/discard notification while downloading files via Python seleniumchromedriver? I've tried with the following but could not succeed. Edit. It seems I found out another website having such ML file which throws the same notification upon clicking on that link ending with .ml. Example website link. I'm trying with the below approach. The notification exactly looks like the image below. BTW. I'm initiating click on that link to download only because the site I was experimenting with doesn't have any true URL connected to that ML files to navigate. Turn out that navigating to that ML link lead to the same notification as well.
You need to specify the file extension you want to download.
That's pop-up related to safe browsing. Try.
I did use simple tab and enter keys to act upon keep/discard buttons on the window. I didn't find any better solution for this issue and it is working for me as workaround.
I did try Google many sites/forums and found the below code, but it's still not working in Chrome 72. Please let me know if you find any better solution for this issue.
If you want to see more